we really enjoy our summer in and by the water. But living in southern Ontario, pool season is pretty much limited to June through August. What we wanted to do was add a heater to extend our fun 1 month either side of the summer. The guys at LOClean Comfort came out to look at our pool and suggested we kill 2 birds with 1 stone. They suggested a high-efficiency combi boiler from Navion to replace my outdated hot water tank, while at the same time use its second heating circuit to heat the pool. I thought this was quite a novel idea, and I could see multiple benefits of their proposal. I find it incredible how antiquated a hot water tank is, just rusting away in the corner using energy all of the time, even when nobody is home. And these combination boilers, when not providing domestic hot water, are often used for radiant or in-floor heating. The trick here is they're going to take a circuit of very hot water out to the pool's circulatory plumbing and insert a heat exchanger to heat the salted pool water. The guys at LOClean Comfort clearly knew what they were doing. We identified a section of spare wall where they could install the system. This was great because in the past 30 years of incremental renovations, my old plumbing was getting a bit of a mixed bag and clearly too close to my electrical panel. In the end, the removal of the old tank freed up about 16 square feet of basement space, and who doesn't need more basement space? They mounted all of the components on the wall and drilled all of the holes in the foundation for the heat exchanger circuit, the fresh air intake, and the exhaust. LOC has certified plumbers and gas fitters so they can handle the whole job without using subcontractors. Once the new system was up and running, they did the final hookup to my domestic hot water lines and only then removed the old tank and recycled it responsibly. So now when I turn on the tap, the boiler fires right up to provide piping hot water. It's extremely quiet, so you would need to be right next to it to hear it. The front panel is easy to navigate and lets me set the hot water temperature to something that is safe yet comfortable. And outside, I have a thermostat that monitors the pool's temperature. When needed, a pump pushes hot water through the piping to the heat exchanger, and that heats up the filtered water which goes into the pool. The early May date they installed the system, we actually had snow. The pool water was near freezing, but within a week it was up to 80 degrees and quite easy to get into. Throughout the summer, we like to keep the temperature at 84 degrees. I was curious at the end of the season what the running cost would be, because for the first time ever, we got to enjoy the pool from May through to the end of September. So I took my gas bills from the past 2 years and plotted them. I took the average usage during the summer months from last year and subtracted that value from this year's usage. You can see the spikes early and late in the year, but averaged out over the season, it cost us about $2.50 a day in gas. I look at the investment multiple ways. Firstly, I'm not paying for the rental of a hot water heater monthly. The Navion system has a 10-year warranty, so I don't have to worry about maintenance for a very long time. I can run hot water for as long as I want and I'll never run out. My new system is 95% efficient compared to 65% with the old tank. All the technology to heat my pool is safely inside. Outdoor pool heaters are exposed to the wind, the rain, snow, and even the most expensive ones will not extend a warranty beyond 4 years. They are essentially expendable. And the only thing that is hard to put a price on is the enjoyment we get being in the pool from the day the flowers start to bloom right up until the leaves start to change. Call the guys at LOC and get a quote on updating your tired system to a Navion on-demand hot water system.